I'm going to show you how coffee affects your acidity, your anxiety, your bathroom trips, your cholesterol, and your liver. Once you see what happens, you'll be able to decide which type of coffee makes you feel your best. My name is Harsh, and I'm an entrepreneur and scientific educator. I make invisible food problems visible. We go through foods, conditions, and habits and show you exactly how each one affects your digestion. Once you understand what's actually going on inside your body, you can stop guessing and start making decisions with a lot more confidence. This video is on coffee. Let's follow a cup of coffee through your body. It lands first in your stomach, where two things happen. It loosens the valve at the top of your stomach, and it tells your stomach to make more acid. That's why some people feel acidic or get heartburn on an empty stomach. Two compounds are responsible for this: caffeine and chlorogenic acid. Turns out there's a way to control this. Roasting produces heat which can break down chlorogenic acid, and the more you roast, the bigger the reduction. So if you're sensitive to acidity, see how well a decaf dark roast suits your stomach. From the stomach, caffeine slips into your blood and peaks within about an hour. It travels to your brain and blocks the signal that makes you sleepy. A little caffeine makes you alert, but a lot and you get anxious. And with this anxiety come the jitters and a racing heart. So choose your cup wisely to get the right balance. But truth be told, even this might not be enough. Turns out it's your genes that decide how fast you clear the caffeine. Worldwide, 50% of people clear it pretty fast, in a couple of hours. But 40% are medium and 10% are slow. A slow caffeine clearer can retain caffeine for twice as long, meaning they drink coffee in the afternoon and can still feel the effects till midnight. Coffee also contains another compound called caffeine. Scientists call caffeine the most potent cholesterol-raising compound in the entire human diet. Mg for mg, it can raise your cholesterol by more than bacon, more than butter too. Caffeine pushes your liver to pump out more cholesterol. Interestingly, it's oily and can be trapped by a paper filter, up to 90%. That's why coffee is made without paper filters like Turkish coffee, Arabic coffee, or South Indian filter coffee usually contain a lot more of this cholesterol-raising compound. So you can choose better if you have a pre-existing condition. The biggest surprise of all is how much coffee can actually do for your liver. Black coffee is the world's most studied beverage for liver health. Results from a dozen major meta-analyses spanning over 1 million participants show that coffee contains polyphenols which fight inflammation and protect your liver from scarring. But add sugar, syrup, or cream and you risk adding fat onto your liver. So again, choose your coffee wisely. A little further down, coffee does something you've definitely noticed. Within minutes of your first sip, it fires up your colon. 1 out of 3 people feels the urge to go to the washroom within 20 minutes of drinking coffee. And the surprising bit, it's not the caffeine. This happens with decaffeinated coffee too. There is nothing big you can fix here. It's just your gut waking up. And for most people, that's actually a good thing. That's coffee. 5 things, 1 cup. Now that you've seen what it does, you can decide what's right for you. To see how your foods, conditions, or habits affect your body, check out our other videos.